For student information system, you have to double click Aculekha icon. Then you will get your school name and academic year. You have to double click on this, and before entering the student data, you have to create class. For class creation, you have to go to the master, then class and fee setup, or simply you can use control and F4 key for class and fee setup. Once you click the class and fee setup, you will get this screen or window. Now first I am going to create the classes. Before creating of a class, you have to click the insert button, then cursor will blink on this class. You have to create, or you have to type NURSERY, nursery. Suppose you want to create the class along with the section, you have to type -A or -B or -C, like that you can create the class along with the section. In class name, we suggest not to use any kind of special character except dash. Special character means semicolon, colon, dot, comma, full stop, etc. You can simply give nursery-a, or you want to create without section, then simply nursery. Once you press the enter, then it will ask for creation of new class. Do you want to create new class? You have to type a yes, nursery, LKG, UKG, first class, second class, third class, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. In 10th class, I want to create two sections, 10th A and 10th B. Then I have to type the 10th dash A. And for class creation, you have to give the Roman letters only, not a number field. Okay. 10th B. Then once you created all the classes, you have to define the fee structure for all the class. You have to use this insert button, then you select the class for which you want to define the fees. Like this, you can define the fees, and in this place, admission fee, transportation, late fee, etc. you need not to define. Whichever fees is a common for all the student, that fees only you have to define in this particular window. Apply single class option is used for, suppose you modified any fees for one particular class, you select the class, and apply single class means the sixth class fees will be updated automatically. And this apply all class means, suppose you define fees from nursery to 10th class and apply all class, then it will be updated the fee structure in a student master from nursery to 10th class. But before using this option apply all class, you have to define fees for each and every class, like a nursery to 10th class. And this last and previous button, whatever fees you define, you can check whether the fees are correct or wrong. Suppose you want to modify any fees, simply you can edit and save. And any class fee you want to delete, you can use this delete button also. And once you define the fees for all the classes and you create all the class, then this window option is over, and this option you have to use yearly once only, at the time of fresh academic year only, or whenever you want to update or modify fee structure, that time only you have to use this option. And once you define all the fees, you can close this button. Now we define fee structure for class 5th and 6th. For entering the student data, you have to click student master, then you will get a screen like this. In this you have to use the insert button, then automatically it will give the serial number. This is the computer serial number, and you have to select the class. I am selecting the class 5th. Once you select the class, to go to next field, you have to use the enter key from your keyboard, like this. Then automatically whatever fees you defined in this particular class, it will appear on the screen. Suppose you are selecting 6th class in this particular place and pressing the enter key, then automatically your fee structure is changed in this particular place. Now I am creating a total 4 numbers of students. I am selecting the class 5th. Syllabus also CBSE, SSC, ICSC. I am selecting SSC, medium English. You can use the down arrow button to select the combo. For the admission number for pre-primary, you can use the prefix like a PP1 or admission number 1-PP. Prefix or postfix you can use. For high school, you have to give the number and see that it should not be duplicate. If it is any compulsory reason you have to give the duplicate number, then you can use the like a 1-A or B or C, like that. Now I am typing the admission number 1, and I have to use the enter key. Now I can give the roll number 1. Now I have to type the student name. T T Shai Nicholas. T Narendra Kumar. And better you don't give any dot, comma, full stop, apostrophe s, any special character in name or address field or anywhere in the this form. And this is the father name, and father code you can use for any parent having more than 2 or 3 children. Then you can use this option, and you have to give one code to parent, and the same code will be repeated to all their children. So at a glance you are able to know what is the due amount of that particular parent or all of their childs. Example, you type the father code, then it will give the father name, whatever father name, and this thing whether code is correct or wrong. Or suppose you don't want to give this particular code, you can simply leave the blank. And this is the father qualification in this particular combo. All the options are there. You can leave blank, or suppose you want to give anything special like he's a MCA or something, MCA, or MSc, you can define, and simply you can type enter, press the enter key, then automatically it will save, and next time whatever qualification you defined, automatically it will appear on the screen. Now I am selecting the father qualification is a graduate. Now it is asking for mother name. Mother name, and same time mother qualification also. If she is a intermediate, then you have to click the intermediate, then you have to use the enter key. And what is the father occupation? Businessman, contractor, doctor, driver. If anything is not there, simply you can create annual income, might be 2,50,000 or whatever it may be. Gender, male or female, you can type M for male and F for female. This is the male. Then the date of birth. Date of birth should be always on a TD/MM/YY format. Example 04 oblique TD means 19/04/2008. Once you click the enter key, then age will be appear on the screen automatically. this is the 5 year or automatically. The address you have to type flat number 309 Vijaya apartment. This is the second line of address. This is the area Vijayanagar colony, and in this pin number or something you can give Vijay colony, then city Hyderabad, religion Hindu. You can type the first letter and you can use the down arrow key, then automatically it will appear TE Telugu, like a blood group. You can define the mobile number of father 9441155, like that. Mother name, mother mobile number, and basically this is the SMS number. If you want to send SMS to father number, then you have to type the father number. If you want to send SMS to mother number, then you have to type the mother number, or any other number on which parent should receive the SMS. That number you have to type. This is the email sai@gmail.com. This email will be using for, suppose you want to send any kind of information through mail, or you want to send the homework or any report format or report card or marks, you can use this option. And this is the admission date, on which date he took a admission in our school. You have to give the date in this format 01/06/2000. Suppose he joined in a 4th class or 3rd class. Caution deposit, if any caution deposit is there, you can define in this. Due or opening balance means previous year due or last year due, you can define in this. Yearly bus fee, this closing balance will appear automatically in this particular place. Scholarship through management or through government, you have to define, you have to tick this scholarship button and you have to give the description. Fee structure, by default it will be monthly only. Concession amount, suppose you have given any lump sum concession, you can define the concession amount here. Admission type, basically in a school the day scholar or hostel scholar you can mention in this. Bus number, or you can mention the route number also. R1 means route number. Admission fee, if it is a new student you can define the admission fee. If you want to pay the monthly, you can select the monthly. If you are defining the monthly fee, then need not to define on the term 1, term 2, term 3. Van fee, I am defining the 1000 per month. Health condition, also you can define. Subcaste, also you can define. Aadhaar card number. Remark, any remark. You can define the mark of identification and try to give all the information without spelling mistakes, without any special characters. Date format should be DD oblique MM oblique YY format. Telephone number should be correct. Joining date and joining class also you define correctly. So you can issue the bona fide certificate directly. Once you enter the correct data, then you need not to modify regularly. So try to enter the accurate and 100% correct data. Once you enter the data, you have to use this save button, then automatically it will save. Once you save, then you can give directly application print like this. And you can give this print to your printer and take a signature from the parent. And you file it this particular form as a admission form. Now I am going to enter the other student data. For that also I have to use the insert button. Enter, enter, enter. The last admission number is a 1. Once again, if I am giving the 1 only and pressing the enter key, then it will give the message, the duplicate admission number. Do you want to retrieve? I'll say no. I'll type the admission number as 2, roll number as 2. The student name D Vijay Kumar. Father name D Malesh. Same father code you can define. Father qualification. Private employee. religion, Hindu, BC, Telugu. Mother mobile number, father mobile number, email, if you leave the blank space, then automatically it will take the current year only, current date, not year. Caution deposit, fees, forehand, application, not respond. Now I am setting the new record. I am setting class 6, admission number, third, roll number 1, student name, Sabah Fatima, bus number I am giving R2, bus fee monthly 1200, like this you can enter all the student data, and suppose you want to retrieve any data directly through admission number or name, or you want to modify any data, you have to use this view button, and simply you can type the admission number, or you can select with this combo the admission number is equal to 5. Click OK, then automatically the admission number 5 data will be appear on the screen. And you want to enter any, or you want to modify any data, you have to use this edit button. You have to select the health condition or subcaste or Aadhaar card number, any number, or you want to modify any fees, you want to modify any bus number, or any information you want to enter this telephone number. Then simply click the, or you want to modify the class, also you can modify. You have to click this save button. And suppose you want to retrieve any data with a name, then you have to click the view button to select the name is equal to, automatically names are available in the screen, or you can type the name, then automatically appear on the screen. Simply take this one, press enter, then the data will be retrieved automatically. And suppose you want a list of all the student, or you want to check total how many student data you entered, or you want to check the class wise how many male child and female child are there. For that option you have to go to the tools, you have to go to the statistics, data, or simply shortcut key you can use the control I button. In this you have to click this refresh button first, then you can select the class wise. Total number of strength is a 5 students. Class 5th 2 male child are there. Class 6th 3 girl childs are there. This caste wise means total BC 1 child, male 1 child, BCB female 1 child, OC 2 female 1 male. Religion wise, Hindu total 3 child, 1 female, 2 male. Islamic or Islam, 2 female. Age wise, which age group? How many students are there in one particular class? Medium wise, all students are English medium only. Mother tongue wise, mother tongue basically the Telugu, 3 people, 2 male, 1 female. Urdu, 2 female. Readmission wise, new admission TC issue with disable status. And if you want to take all the data in a print, then you can use this print button. And now you want to take a printout of all the student, whatever you entered, or you want to check with your admission register or attendance register. For that you have to go to the query, click the user define, or shortcut key you can use the control Q. You can select the admission number, student name, father name, and mobile number, or date of birth, or any other field whichever you want to see on the screen. And suppose you want a order by the admission number, order by the roll number, order by the name, you have to click this three, any one of this 3 button, click OK. Then you will get the all the filtered data, and you can take the printout from this particular. Click OK, directly it will give you the printout, and you can check all the data, student name, father name, phone number, admission number, everything is correct or not. And suppose you want to modify any data, you have to go to the student master, click the view button, select the admission number, select the equal to button, and type the admission number, click OK. Then you are able to modify, click the edit button, then you are able to modify any data and you save it. In user defined report, suppose you want to get the data of a one particular class, suppose you want a data of 6th class, select the class, select the options here whichever you want to print, take print out. You need only one particular condition, like area is equal to Mallepalli, Vijayanagar colony, or any Azampura, or you need a only girl child, how many girl child are there, then you can select the gender is equal to female, then you are able to get the data like this. Suppose in the place of phone number you want a area from which the childs are coming, simply leave the class, remove this telephone number, select the area, gender option also. Click OK. Second class, no students. Now the area is appearing on the screen in the place of telephone number. And suppose you need a list of a student according to admission number, then you have to go to the report report daily report. In this you can select list of the student, class is equal to 6. According to admission register you will get the data. You can take print out like this. If you need a data admission date wise, click the admission date 1/6/2013. This 3 entry after the 1/6/2013 to 2/2014, these 3 admissions have been done. Suppose you need a maximum data, you can use this user defined report, select all class, give the date, okay, then you are able to get like this report, and you can take a printout of this reports also. Suppose you want to drop any student, or any student is not coming from the long time, then you can simply go to that particular student, view admission number is equal to, you type the admission number, this student suppose not coming for long period, then you have to click this dropout long absent, click edit, then save. Then you go to the statistical information, control I shortcut key, then you will find drop one mail. Now the exact strength is a 4, and you can modify the status anytime.